The older I get, the more I realize that some of the things I was absolutely sure about when I was younger weren't as true as I thought. Life has a way of humbling us, not through books, not through lectures, but through experience. And while I still have much to learn, there are a few things I believe more strongly today than I ever did before. The older I get, the more I believe that people matter more than possessions. When you were younger, it's easy to think that success is measured by what we own: a better car, a bigger house, a higher position. But when I look back at the moments that truly mattered, they were never about things. They were about people. The conversations, the friendships, the family moments, the memories, those are the things that stay with us. The older I get, the more I believe that peace is more valuable than being right. There was a time when I wanted to prove my point, to explain myself, to make sure everyone understood my side. But life taught me that not every battle needs to be won. Sometimes protecting your peace is more important than winning an argument. And sometimes silence is wiser than having the last word. The older I get, the more I believe that growth often comes through difficulty. Most of the lessons that shaped me didn't come from easy seasons. They came from challenges, from loss, from disappointments, from moments when life didn't go according to plan. And I will never wish those experiences on anyone. I can honestly say they taught me some of the most valuable lessons of my life. The older I get, the more I believe that time is our most valuable resource. Money can return, opportunities can return, but time does not. That's why I try to be more intentional now, more present, more grateful, because every day is a gift we only get once. The older I get, the more I believe that faith becomes more important, not less. When we're young, we often think we can figure everything out ourselves. But life eventually reminds us how much is beyond our control. And that's where faith becomes powerful. Not because it gives us all the answers, but because it gives us the courage to keep moving forward even when we don't have them. The older I get, the less interested I am in impressing people. And the more interested I am in living in a meaningful life, a life filled with gratitude, a life guided by purpose, a life rooted in faith. And if life has taught me anything so far, it's that wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about learning what truly matters.